What I personally feel is industries might keep changing. I mean, I've had the good luck of working in different industries, but I think the core values of marketing as a function remains standardized across industries. Hospitality is more of a B2C segment wherein I directly face the guest. So the medium might vary, the messaging might vary. But I think at the end of the day, there are two core areas that marketing needs and is always focusing on: retention and referrals. देवली ना दो चीजें हैं एक्चुअली. एक तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली पिछले 2 साल से द government is actually been paying attention to this industry, which is fantastic. But ऐसे दो challenges हैं. एक तो industry wise I feel that this is a technical thing, the taxation thing that the hospitality industry indulges in for social functions.
Welcome to Icons Behind Brands, the podcast where we dive deep into the minds of the visionaries shaping today's marketing landscape. Hi, this is Devlina, your host, and I'm back with another remarkable guest with me on our show today. Meet Miss Hani Kumar, a dynamic head of marketing and communication at Kara Hotels and Resorts, with over a decades of experience spanning in the Middle Eastern and Indian markets. Hani excels in corporate and guest relationship, strategizing marketing goals and enhancing customer experiences. So join me as I welcome Ms. Hani. A very warm welcome to you, Hani, on Icons Behind Brands.
Hi Devlina, thank you so much for such a warm welcome.
I want to understand, like from your experience, if you just take me through, आपने different industries में काम किया है, like including retail to hospitality, to broadcast. Can you walk me through your journey and the transitions between these diverse industries? They are very different in nature. So if you just take me through like how it has happened and what was the driving force, what motivated you for these moves?
So I started my career in retail back in the UAE. I have actually brought up in the UAE, stayed there over 30 plus years. So retail actually not only helped, craft my people skills and, make me more interested in consumer behavior, because retail is where they put you on the floor. It's so varied, it's so unpredictable. And I think it just, crafted me as an individual, as a marketer. And then I think from there, getting into radio and media has always been a passion, because I passed out in mass communication, did my master's. And I think radio just took that a notch up, because obviously I had that customer service background. And then radio is such a fast paced medium again, because you get such a limited time, to pass on your message. So learned a bit about audience engagement and storytelling. How do brands actually talk about, their services on radio? And then in 2017, I got married and I moved from the UAE, to India. I call this the wild, wild India, because you come from UAE, which is a very small and a very protective environment. I like to say it. It's everybody knows everybody there.
Right.
And when you're suddenly pushed into India, which is such a huge market with so many kinds, different people, so many people who have different behaviors. So that's where I landed up with the security firm, multinational security firm here. And that was a completely different side, because that showed me a different angle of marketing and the safety industry. And right now I'm here. Hospitality is like second nature to me. I'm a travel and tourism pass out. So customer service, hospitality, always having a smile on my face. I think, I love what I'm doing right now.
Hani, let me know one thing, because you have seen the market changing, right? आपने ये देखा है कि when things were like very much traditionally involved in terms of the marketing channels and strategies, and अभी की दुनिया जहाँ पे we are talking about digital, we have all the martech stacks. So in your experience, which traditional marketing mediums or channel have remained same and effective to your target audience back then and now in this digital era as well? So, and how do you integrate that?
I think the one medium that stood its test of time is broadcast. In broadcast media specifically, I think I would pick radio, because I've had, experiences in both the UAE market and now the India market. And I think radio is something that just works everywhere in both the markets. I mean, India, obviously digital is something that we've now caught up after COVID. It's just bombarded the market with digital. And I
Right.
think radio is something that reaches so many people that I think somewhere even digital probably does not peep in. It's
Totally
a
agree.
very grassroots, it's a very mass medium. And I think everybody listens to the radio while in your
And it's a
car, or
very
you're
go-to
probably even working out.
go-to channel. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And I think हमें ये जरूरत है कि हम अपनी मतलब as a marketer जो मेरी digital strategy तो है ही है, of course, that's a
Right.
very important thing. उसको radio के साथ एक omni channel strategy बना के चलें, ताकि जो digital कर पा रहा है वो radio ना करे, or vice versa. It just, I
Right.
think it has to work hand in hand. So radio will always be a part of my marketing budget. That's for sure.
So I feel that audio segment is also coming up and people are liking spending time in the audio.
Yes, absolutely. I think it started way back. I can't recall the amount of years, but then we had this internet radio concept coming in. That's moved on.
Acha.
Now people have moved to audio streaming platforms and podcasts. And I think that's really caught up. And I think even radio, I know one or two radio channels that have a podcast segment on their radio stage shows.
Okay.
So I think, yeah.
Like, I mean, we have discussed कि आपने security industry में भी काम किया है and आपने hospitality में भी काम किया है. So these are two very different industries in nature. तो ऐसा कौन सा surprising element है और maybe surprising similarity है जो दोनों में ही same है, and maybe what are the transferable skills between marketing in security sector and marketing in hospitality sector? So how do you see these two things?
What I personally feel is industries might keep changing. I mean, I've had the good luck of working in different industries, but I think the core values of marketing as a function remain standardized across industries. I think those standard principles of marketing should not change ideally. And I think they remain, similar. So, I mean, yes, the mediums to reach your audience might be different, because when I was working in security, I was targeting more towards a B2B audience. Hospitality is more of a B2C segment, wherein I directly face the guest. So the medium might vary, the messaging might vary. But I think at the end of the day, there are two core areas that marketing needs and is always focusing on: retention and referrals. I think you have to retain your current guest base, and obviously to get new customer base, referrals are very important. Word of mouth and everything. These two key areas, at the end of the day, all marketing wants the business to succeed. Sales does their job, marketing pushes it. So I think marketing is a very cohesive function. So it remains standardized across industries.
The core functions are same, the fundamentals are same, uske basic rules same hai, but then in that fundamentals you just alter your marketing strategies based on.
So I think that's more like a tree. I think the base of the tree is the same. I mean, it just flowers into different branches.
Right.
And that's where the beauty of marketing comes, and it's a very, very beautiful.
As a head of marketing in Cara Hotels and Resorts, how do you consider, like, I mean, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है which is like the most rewarding for you at this role, which you have discovered? Yes.
That's collaborate and create.
Okay, collaborate and
I
create.
think you cannot work in silos. You cannot work alone. I think you have to collaborate with people, and you have to come together and discuss things, and that's how you take. And then once you discuss and you create, again, creation is not something that's done alone. So these are the two important C's of my life that I take in every industry that I go. I mean, COVID was a period which I did not like personally. Nobody liked it, because obviously it changed our working patterns also. बहुत अकेले अकेले काम करने लगे थे. Obviously changed the working scenario. But I think collaborate and create is something that I do here also at Cara. It's beautiful, I think.
It helps. So
absolutely.
Yeah, I also agree to this. Collaboration is the key. When there were days when you used to feel, I mean, there is a competition, but now it's like the healthy marketers, they always see it's a collaboration which is going to take both of us together towards, the success.
Absolutely. I think I think social media has just recognized this word collab, but I think marketing and other industries have been doing it since ages. So we've been collaborating with people since ages. Yeah. Yeah, I think also because, see, I'm not denying that competition is not important to push brands and individuals. Of course,
Yeah,
it's important.
it is.
But see, the audience as a whole is now going to change a little. Their obviously behaviors might change according to certain segments. But I think the key idea of marketing is to reach those people. And I think whoever reaches it most effectively and more personally,
Correct.
the customer has to feel, यार ये ऐसी वो चीज है जो मैं करता हूँ या मैं करती हूँ. So
More
identify
aligned
there. So I think
to
that's
their
where you win. Yeah,
nature.
I think that's where you win as a marketer.
That's true. What you said, it's totally relevant, and it just struck me that we try to find ourselves in the brands at times, like wo brand
Yes.
हमारे nature से aligned है कि नहीं, and that's how probably we choose that this is me, this is my thing. As a head of marketing, right? You are working with team, and it's not easy to always have that harmony in the team and the culture. But it's the leader's job to foster that culture of creativity and innovation among your team. So how do you do this, like within your team?
So my marketing for me is a place where, which is a no judgment zone.
Wow.
So I believe in that open door policy. I think although I don't have a door physically, but yeah, open door policy is where I welcome. I think I tell my team way in advance when they join, always do not hesitate coming to me and talking things out, whether it be a suggestion. It can be the most funniest of suggestions or most absurd of suggestions, but feel free. You should have that leverage with me to come and talk. That
Right.
hesitation with your leader shouldn't be there. I think that's very important when you want your team members to grow and succeed.
Right.
Also, since I worked in a very multicultural environment back in the UAE and now India, I think inclusiveness is a word, obviously, that's very paramount to me and my team's growth. I think because we've learned how different societies and people come from different cultures behave, I think it's very important to make them feel कि आप जहाँ काम कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे आप सब एक ही हो.
Right.
आपके विचार बदल सकते हैं, पर्सपेक्टिव्स बदल सकते हैं, बट इक्वालिटी आप सब में एक ही है, चाहे आप कहीं से भी बिलोंग करते हैं और कौन से भी बैकग्राउंड से. सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई एनकरेज एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी आई वुड लाइक टू से स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट. आई थिंक मेरी टीम में कोई बड़ा नहीं है, कोई नीचे नहीं, इंक्लूडिंग मी.
Yeah.
I also believe that learning is the key. I also invest, I also push my team members here, develop in your professional development, since our company has a lot of courses like that we, give it to our employees.
Okay.
And I make sure that every year my employees take up a course. Yeah.
Okay.
And
The
develop
learning and
themselves.
development
Yeah.
side. Okay. Super.
I think it's important.
Yeah. I think that's bang on, I mean, when they see there is a growth for them, and especially their mentor is there and who is genuinely want nothing but, your growth. And that's when the trust happens. That's when, they grow and the team grows and eventually the leader also grows. When we look ahead, the when we foresee this environment of hospitality segment and resort segment, how do you see the future trends? मतलब every industry is looking towards trend. तो आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
देवली ना दो चीजें हैं एक्चुअली. एक तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली पिछले 2 साल से द government has actually been paying attention to this industry, which is fantastic. But ऐसे दो challenges हैं. एक तो industry wise, I feel that this is a technical thing, the taxation thing that the hospitality industry indulges in for social functions. I think that's the part which could be reduced a bit. I think currently it's at 18%. We would, obviously look at something that the GST could come down to a little, say 5%. 18% on a social function. It's huge when you translate it for destination weddings. दूसरा, I feel, see, इंडिया में टूरिज्म बहुत है. मतलब अब तो रिलीजियस टूरिज्म भी खुल गया है. इतना टूरिज्म है इंडिया में, बट वो टूरिज्म अभी भी मुझे सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर दिखता है. ग्रास रूट लेवल पे वो इकोसिस्टम अभी रेडी नहीं हुआ है. Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities में. So if you go to probably, let's take religious tourism. Obviously, say for example Rajasthan. such a huge and such a beautiful state that we have. And obviously religious tourism भी वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है. But अभी भी अगर आप temples या ऐसा कुछ religious tourism करने जाएंगे, for example केदारनाथ भी आप ले लो, वहाँ का जो ecosystem है about providing, obviously because of the floods and everything got disturbed, but I think we need to develop a proper tourism ecosystem of hotels, supporting businesses, local vendors. Proper ecosystem बनना बहुत जरूरी है tier 2, tier 3 city. I mean, Rajasthan is not a tier 2 city. I think I rated in tier 1, but religious tourism ke per se, I think we need a lot to work on. Local people are still not aware. I think it's important to make them understand कि आपके यहाँ पे लोग आ रहे हैं, आपका शहर या आपका कस्बा बढ़ेगा अगर आप लोग जुड़ेंगे तो.
Yes, that education is very, very important. Like,
awareness is very important.
वो resistance नहीं होना चाहिए. You should, have that welcoming factor so that, you are more warm towards people. And that's when you are working towards your own economy. Amazing. I love
so
this.
India is such a untapped market. I mean, अगर आप पेरिस देखोगे, आप पेरिस की मेन सिटी में जाओगे ना, वहाँ पे लोग पक चुके हैं. They're not that friendly to tourists. Because Paris has seen so much. India is such a market. I think for the next 100 years, we will still have a lot to discover about ourselves. And I think that's why we're going to kill it. So
lovely. So with this, now we are moving towards a section called rapid fire round, which is one of my very favorite round, and which allows our viewers to know you as a person a little more than the business. Okay. So the rules are either you need to answer in one word or as minimum word as possible. We are good to go.
Okay.
So honey, tell me, what has been your favorite age so far?
My 30s.
What is your favorite work memory?
I see, when you have a memory that you can't remember, that means that's the most beautiful memory that you have. I have so many, I just can't remember this.
Lovely. What has changed the most since you have started working here?
I think I've become a little bit more patient.
What advice would you give to an employee on their first day of work?
I don't wait for other people to come and talk to you. Take a little bit more effort and observe the people around on the first day. Don't be in a hurry. And I think gradually it'll all come to you.
If you could not work in this industry, what profession would you pursue?
I think I would be a teacher.
So what would you change about yourself if given a chance?
I don't know if I can change it, but I would like to work on it. Is my ADHD fidgety nature that I have. So I was just recently diagnosed with ADHD. So now all the years of the things that I did, now it comes, okay, that's why I did it. So yeah, I think now I can't change it, but I would like to work around it. Yes.
So what advice would you give to your younger self?
I think I'll just quickly wrap it up in 3 lines. I think one is, no matter where you're working or whatever you're doing, be kind to people. I think the world is slowly becoming very harsh. You got to be kind. And I think obviously 2 things actually. Second most important thing is, whenever my ex-boss, who's now also my mentor, taught me this, okay, you need to ask if you want help.
Wow.
If you will not ask, how will the other person know? I was always hesitant to ask. यार मैं पूछूंगी तो मैं कैसी लगूंगी? But my boss said, यार जब तक तू पूछेगी नहीं तो पता कैसे चलेगा कि तुझे मदद की जरूरत है?
True.
So yeah. I think these 2 things you got to remember.
Okay, so now we are out of this rapid fire zone now, and before I wind up this conversation, honey, I want you to talk for our viewers. A lot of them are aspiring to become a marketing leader. So what is your advice for them?
See, sometimes people take this industry as an industry that's almost similar. लोग बोल देते हैं sales and marketing से हो ना?
Yeah.
So I think लोगों को ये डिफरेंस समझाना बहुत जरूरी है कि सेल्स अलग होता है, मार्केटिंग अलग होती है. Obviously they are hand in hand, they're always together, but that doesn't mean their work patterns are similar. It's a completely different ball game, and marketing is like any other profession, obviously. Yeah, I think it's a profession that needs updates continuously. I mean, obviously every profession needs it, even IT for that matter, but marketing, because you're going to be dealing with people.
True.
This is that puts you straight up in what happens in sales, for example, is something that you're just going to meet that one person. क्लोज योर डील एंड वॉक आउट। मार्केटिंग काम उसके बाद शुरू होता है, क्योंकि जब वो काम कर रहा होता है तो to bring in more people, I think you should work on your people skills. I think that's very important. uh, you should be comfortable talking to people, and at least understanding how the market is. Read a lot. If you can't read books, read articles, take classes, continuously update yourself. Now digital is the king. I
Yeah.
think update your skills and network,
Yes.
very important.
Awesome, oh, honey. I think we had a very wholesome conversation today. We have covered a lot. बहुत सारी बातें की, मजा आया, and I hope आपको भी इतना ही मजा आया होगा during the conversation.
I had a ball of a time, Devina. Thank you so much for inviting me, and it feels great actually. I hope we can, I hope when this is telecasted or broadcasted, I think we can all learn something from it.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
आई एम श्योर कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंसाइटफुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा. लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन विच पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो यू लव द मोस्ट. हम ऐसे ही इंडिया के टॉप बिजनेस ब्रांड सीक्रेट्स आपके पास लाते रहते हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल आइकन्स बिहाइंड ब्रांड्स. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई एम देवलीना नियोगी, signing off until next time.